Hi there and welcome back to Thirdstone. As you can see, I've been working on the turntable, the Arduino turntable. So I've managed to get it to do rudimentary indexing. As you can see, it's moving around to the various track positions marked on the side of the turntable, and this is achieved by including a microswitch and a cam to the underside. Here you can see the microswitch being triggered by the cam lobes, which interrupts the signal to the motor and gets the indexing. There is one issue with this in that it doesn't work the other way around, but this is a first stab. Probably change this out and replace it with Hall sensors.